This morning we're going to be flying this here JD20, which I think is a really good drone. It flies really well. Here we have the JD20 drone, which looks identical to a DJI Spark. Hit this button here and we're going to take off. There we go. So now we're going to quickly fly around my house, my dirty, messy house. Let's take it upstairs. Notice I don't have any prop guards on, because I trust this drone. Because it is super stable. Now I've seen people fly this on YouTube and they've had all sorts of problems. I got a funny feeling it might be user error or they got a bum drone, because this thing, look at it. I could fly this around the house. It is super, super, super stable. Down the hallway, going down nicely. And let's see if we can take it back down in the basement. All right, kind of tricky here. Pull her back. Whoa, got to get through this tight area. Bring it back, straighten it out. Going through, bring it down. Bring it down, bring it down, and bring it way down. All right. So, I'm not really sure why people have had problems flying this drone. It is so cool, so easy to fly. And I'm gonna bring it down for a landing right here. The temperature this morning is way below minus 20 degrees Celsius, which is around minus 10 Fahrenheit. Extremely freezing cold. All right, I'm gonna try flying this here with gloves on, see how that works. It's kind of hard with my little gloves on. But as you see, it's really stable. Look at how stable this thing is. It's a really good drone. So let's take it around here. Let's look around the area. Go forward. And we'll bring it back. Very difficult to fly with gloves on. Yeah. It's hard with the gloves. My gloves are freezing to the controller. Here, I'll bring it down. So this here drone has 3 speeds, and it can fly about at a distance of maybe about, let's say at best on a good day, 80 meters, 70 meters. It depends on your Wi-Fi signal. It's supposed to do some flips. So let me just see if I can make it do flips here. Wants to keep coming back to me. That's the kill switch. Okay, this one here is a kill switch. That's not the flippy switch. So let's get this out of the snow. Sorry about that, drone. Let's try that again. That is hilarious. Let's try this again. Let's find the right switch. Maybe it's one of those switches where you have to hold it down. So I'll try holding it. And that would be the kill switch again. All right, I'm obviously doing something wrong. Maybe I just tap it. This is just showing how good this drone is. How many times have I dropped it in the snow? Okay. The battery is still going on this thing. Amazing. All right, so I have to have the button bent at the same time. Maybe so that's what it is. It kills it too. All right, try this again. Holy shit, I got the flip to work. So, the flip does work. Obviously, I was doing something wrong. There we go. See that? Got it. So it's the top button for the flippies. So I'll see if I can land it in my hand. All right. That's probably something you shouldn't try. I have gloves on, so I landed that in my hand. That's pretty freaking cool. Anyways, all that to say, this here JD20 is an amazing drone. You saw it out here. Flew in the snow, does flips. It's minus 20 degrees Celsius out here. Pretty cold. The battery lasted, I'd say, quite a while. Really good drone. So have a look at the links below. This here came from Banggood, and Banggood has this on sale right now, so check it out. It's a really good drone.